In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to Wave.Video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in a soundtrack, place it where you want, and fine-tune it so your video feels polished and professional. First, open the editor. Log into Wave.Video, then either start a new project or open one you've already been working on. Make sure you're in edit mode, because that's where you'll find the tools you need in the left-hand sidebar. You should see options for media, text, and most importantly for this tutorial, audio. Let's add a soundtrack from the built-in stock library. Click the Audio tab in the left side menu. You'll have access to a massive collection of over 300,000 royalty-free music clips. Take your time browsing. Hover over any track to instantly preview it without committing. When you find a piece that fits the mood of your video, click Add. Wave.Video will place that track directly onto your timeline, ready for adjustments. Since these tracks are royalty-free, they're a safe choice for most projects, but it's always smart to double-check that the track suits your intended use. If you prefer to bring your own music, you can upload it just as easily. Go to the Uploads tab, either at the top or within the Audio section, and drag and drop your file from your computer. Wave.Video supports MP3, WAV, and even MP4 files. After the upload finishes, select your track to place it on the timeline. Make sure you have the rights to use any music you upload so you avoid copyright issues. Now let's adjust and sync your audio. Your soundtrack appears on its own audio track below your video footage. Click and drag the audio block left or right to change when the music starts. This makes it easy to hit a beat right as a new scene begins or to hold off on music until after an intro line. If the track is longer than your video, grab the handles on the edges of the audio block to trim it to the exact length you need. Select the track to open the inspector on the right and set the volume so it supports your visuals without overpowering dialogue or voiceover. For a clean start and finish, add a fade in at the beginning and a fade out at the end. Shorter fades help with quick cuts, while longer fades create a more gradual cinematic feel. Press play to preview your timing and levels, then make small tweaks as needed. That's all there is to adding music in Wave.Video.